Mastering soft skills, your key to success. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Phrase S. And today we have a topic that is crucial for personal and professional growth: soft skills. Soft skills are the hidden gems that can make or break your career. In this video, we'll delve deep into the world of soft skill training, why it's essential, and how you can develop these skills to unlock new opportunities. So, let's get started. Definition of soft skills. First things first, what are soft skills? Soft skills are personal attributes, qualities, and behaviors that enable individuals to interact effectively and harmoniously with others. They complement your technical or hard skills and are often the differentiators in a competitive job market. Importance of soft skills. Why are soft skills so important? Well, let's break it down. Employability. Soft skills are highly valued by employers. They make you more adaptable, communicative, and easier to work with, which can open doors to more job opportunities. Career advancement. As you progress in your career, the importance of soft skills increases. Leadership, teamwork, and emotional intelligence become crucial for success in higher positions. Effective communication. Soft skills enhance your ability to convey ideas clearly, resolve conflicts, and foster positive relationships, both at work and in your personal life. Customer satisfaction. For those in customer-facing roles, soft skills like empathy and active listening are essential for providing exceptional service. Top soft skills to develop now. Let's discuss some of the top soft skills you should focus on. Communication. This includes verbal and written communication, active listening, and the ability to convey your thoughts and ideas effectively. Teamwork. Being a team player, collaborating with diverse groups, and resolving conflicts harmoniously. Guidance. Even outside of a managerial position, leadership abilities hold significant worth. They include decision-making, problem-solving, and motivating others. Flexibility. In an ever-evolving world, the capacity to adjust to novel circumstances and emerging technologies is indispensable. Emotional intelligence. Recognizing and managing your emotions, as well as understanding and empathizing with others, is essential for building strong relationships. How to develop soft skills. So, how can you develop these soft skills? Here are some strategies. Continuous learning. Seek out courses, workshops, or online resources that focus on soft skill development. Practice. Apply what you've learned in real-life situations, whether it's in your workplace or personal life. Input. Seek input from colleagues, mentors, or managers. Constructive criticism helps you improve. Role models. Identify individuals who excel in specific soft skills and learn from them. Self-awareness. Reflect on your strengths and weaknesses regularly. Self-awareness is the first step to improvement. Conclusion. In conclusion, soft skills are the foundation of personal and professional success. They are the qualities that define you as a person and can set you apart in your career. Remember, soft skill development is an ongoing journey, so be patient with yourself and keep striving for improvement. Thank you for joining us today on Phrase S. If you discovered this video to be valuable, please consider liking it and subscribing for additional enlightening content. And as always, feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Until next time, keep honing those soft skills and unlocking new opportunities in your life. Take care, everyone.